Good morning, Mickey Heads. Today is day 2 of vlogging every day for the next 18 days on vacation, and it's been fun so far. Yesterday, we went on the plane to get here. It was super fun, and we went in the pool and had a pina colada. That's pretty much it. But today, we're gonna go to a steakhouse, I think, so that'll be exciting. So let's go. Guys, I'm the only one downstairs, and it is 7:20, and I'm the only one downstairs right now. We're doing a Walmart run right now, so I'm just here, and we're gonna go to Disney Springs and do the steakhouse. We're definitely gonna play ping pong, so stay tuned for the match. It's probably gonna be me and my dad versus Grammy and Grammy. So let's do the tour of the second part of the house, because we didn't get to that last episode. So let's go. You walk up the staircase. It's a beautiful staircase. And then you're led up here, bathroom, and a master bedroom. The bathroom. So guys, now we're getting to the good stuff. Watch it. Star Wars movie theater. We still haven't watched something in here yet. I think we might watch this new movie called How to Train Your Dragon, because we're going to How to Train Your Dragon World at Epic Universe later in the series, so stay tuned. And our first kids' bedroom, the Avengers. So, let's go to the next bedroom. Welcome to Station 9 3/4. The Harry Potter room. And there's also Harry Potter costumes in here. And there's but they're the plants that you pull out of the pot and then they start screaming. The Harry Potter costumes in the closet, but to be continued. The Mario room. We're actually going to Rainforest Cafe tonight, and we're also going to Disney Springs, so we're probably gonna, there's a Rainforest Cafe in Disney Springs, but we're gonna go early and walk around, and we're about to go in the pool. Yeah. Out of the pool, and we're eating lunch now. What time are we going to Rainforest Cafe?
4:15 reservation. 3.
So what time is it now? Oh, so in 2 hours we're going to Rainforest Cafe. Okay, we're going to Disney Springs now. This is exciting. So first we're gonna do a tour around Disney Springs, and then we're gonna go to Rainforest Cafe. Heading to arrived at Disney Springs. And we're gonna go walk around.
For me, you come out the same way. Smell it.
We're getting cookies. Are we going to our table now, Mama?
Yep.
We're going to our table.
Step into the ring with fire. Drink.
We're finishing up our meals and we're gonna head back to the house. My meal came with, I got mac and cheese and it was really good, and it came with this really cool cup with a frog that looked like a frog. It was really cool. Guys, we're heading back because there's a storm, but also we were gonna head back anyway, so yeah. Okay, wait, what are we gonna do? Alright, it's the end of the day. I'm going to go to bed now. Yeah, good night, guys.